side Kamlesh, and I heard this. I heard for this institute from one of my friend, and I want to do good English for more earning and good package, and I met with Jitu sir, and I took knowledge for the institute, and they give template, and then lots of thing is written over this, and that's it.
Next.
Uh, Hi, this side Nidhi, and I came to this institute by my friend, and I learned more, and it is very important for me because I proved in my life. How to speak English and how to become a good speaker. So.
So first of all, I would like to thank you so much for our teacher Jitu sir for giving me this opportunity for feedback. So when I came this institute, so that I can't speak properly, but I can speak properly because this institute is very nice according to me, and if you want to join this institute, so there is free trial also, and if you want to join this institute, so please come and take the try, and after that you will decide. Thank you.
Don't ask question.
Okay.
And speak loudly, right?
Okay. Hello, I am Abhishek, and I am capable to speak on any topic without the all efforts goes to my sir. His name is Jitu sir. Jitu sir is give all the efforts to a single person. It's bright his future, and I suggest to this is very good. And
Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
My this side front of you, Komal Thakur. I explain about this institute. This institute is very important to all of us because this institute gives us more knowledge of English. And in past, when we coming, I have no knowledge of this of English. But in this time, my monitor gives any types of topic. I tell about that, and this effort goes to Jitu sir, and this institute is very important to those types of student who don't have knowledge of English, and this is very good to come here and keep trial, and this is very good for that student who have no knowledge about English. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Shalu. I feedback in this institute, and this institute is very good, and Jitu sir teach students, and in institute many knowledges. In institute give us many knowledges. That's it.
First of all, good morning everyone. My name is Harshita. I am sharing with my experience. When I came here, I didn't have knowledge about how to conversation with people, how to communicate with the people. But now this time I am increasing very well, and it is very it is very important for me because after I will go in my job and I will give interview. So English is very important. I don't know. I am thinking like what Jitu sir give ghutti with people like I want to this ghutti like I thinking that like this type of thinking I have, like. Thank you.
so good morning.
Good morning.
So I am Yogesh. Today I want to tell about the feedback. In my opinion, I am very happy to see myself because when I come in the before, I can't able to speak anything, but now I am able to speak something, and now I seen myself, I increase something, and I have see so many knowledge about the English. I have to learn. So there are so many things like how to speak and how to speak more and more. That's why I seen myself. I very happy. Thanks for Jitu sir and thanks for all students support me. That's all.
So hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Rohan Haldar, and I'm first of all thanks to my sir to giving me this type of chance to introduce myself to the front of the lots of audience. So I spent 2 months here, and now I am feeling the very glad to came this institute and meet this type of genius sir. And if I talk about the facilities of this institute, in this institute they have give lots of facility, like they know how the person wants to speak English, how they wanted to learn English. So this type of opportunity sir gave me. If I talk about I spent 2 months here. Before the 2 months, one time I go to bank. That time the banker gave me one type of slip. That time I am not able to understand what the slip is going to through. So now I think I am able to go in any bank, and I can write my information in very clearly. Thank you.
Nice. Don't ask. Yeah.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Right now, the International Institute and my friend suggested to me to go International Institute, and when I came first time, so I did not speak well, and I felt too much hesitate when I spoke any topic. But right now, monitor give me any topic, so we can easily speak. So I think any student who speak well or who speak English, so he or she should join International Institute, and International Institute located at Devli nearby PNB Bank. Thank you.
Welcome.
So good morning friends.
Good morning.
I am Jitin Kumar. Today I will talk giving feedback to this class. This class is very important for us because Jitu sir and monitor give a chance for giving our presentation to this class, and we are improve our knowledge and improve our confidence to speak how to speak English. And who has not able to speak English, so please come here and take classes, and you can see in your self. You can also improve your knowledge. Thank you.
Very good. Nice.
So first of all, good morning all of you,
Good morning.
and thanks to Jitu sir for giving me an opportunity to speak about this institute. So when I came here, I don't have a knowledge about English, and right now I am communicate with the students and with other people also, and right now my English is good, and right now if someone give me a topic any type of, so I will speak on it.
Very good. Clap.
I want to share one opinion. When you watching this video, those people thinking why we learn English, because our mother tongue is Hindi, and why we need to learn English. I want to share one opinion. When you build your confidence while you're going to visit any kind of interview while you face. But if you want to build your confidence, you must to learn how to speak English, how to convince to people, and how to take a part in conversation in English. But it's necessary when you want to. I don't say it's not necessary, but if you learn English, you increase your confidence too. So it's necessary.
Yeah, clap.